OnePlus is going to introduce its new smartphone, OnePlus 13 series, in a few days. According to leaks, OnePlus 13 Pro is going to be the first smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 processor. Even before the launch, some features of this smartphone have been leaked online. Today, smartphone leaker, Digital Chat Station, has provided some new information about the phone. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of OnePlus 13 Pro. According to Digital Chat Station, OnePlus 13 Pro will have a 6.78-inch OLED, LTPO 2.0 display with a micro-curved design, in which the refresh rate of 144 Hz is going to be available with 2K resolution. Well, the resolution of this phone is going to be 1440 by 3200 pixels. According to DCS, OnePlus is currently testing the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. And an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is going to be provided in OnePlus 13 Pro. Camera setup. It has been said in the leak that OnePlus 13 Pro will be equipped with a multifocal camera system. Like the previous model, triple camera setup will also be seen in OnePlus 13 Pro. In this you will get to see 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 primary camera. Apart from this, 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 and 50-megapixel Sony IMX881 3x periscope camera sensor will be seen. Well, if we talk about selfie camera, you will get to see a 50-megapixel wide sensor in it. Processor. Talking about the processor, you will get to see Qualcomm's latest processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in it, which will be launched in a few days. If we talk about the operating system, you will get the latest version Android 15 in it also. Battery backup. Talking about battery, you will be given a powerful battery of 5500 mAh. And to charge it quickly, a 130-watt super fast charger will be provided. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, its price is expected to be around $900. And if we talk about the launch date, then it can be introduced in the last part of this year.